So here's the kind of like the color difference, just so you can see. One is a little more auburn, kind of like a dark brownish red, and the other one is a little more natural. It's actually a soft brown, which it says it is on here. When you look at it, first you're like, oh my gosh, it's so dark. But then I kind of like looked at it and I liked it. So it seems to blend in really well with my hair color, which is dyed a very deep mahogany right now. And I naturally have dark brown hair, so this kind of blends in with my roots and everything. So you can't really tell, but I used to have it a lot lighter and I just recently darkened it. So I wasn't really sure how dark I wanted to go with the brows. So I got this thinking it'd be really light. And it's not as light as I would like it to be, but it's actually, it works. And this color kind of works too because of the kind of like the mahogany strands that are in my hair. Right now it's wet, so you can't really tell, but it's in the sunlight, it gets really reddish. So that is sort of what we're dealing with right now. And I hope this goes well, and I'll keep you guys updated. So tomorrow, hopefully, this will still look somewhat intact. I probably won't have anything on tomorrow, but we'll see. All right, see you guys. Stay tuned.